Good afternoon. So I am in Tennessee, and it's a small city I'm in, and I'm actually out here to fix a couple equipment. Nothing too major, nothing too big. Actually a variety of equipment. So tractor, a car, a lawnmower. But the car, I'm not fixing this car because this car is so reliable it don't need me. It's actually a very robust, very robust, long lasting. It's one of those cars that could reach 1,000,000 miles. So only thing I did was put a new battery in there. Well, a charged up battery in there. So I want to try and get it started. It's been sitting for a while, and customer, he wants to keep it because I actually now see why. At first when I was thinking about it, I was like, wow, it's an old car. But then when he explained what car it was, then I was like, okay, I kind of get it now. It's a Mercedes, a 1984 Mercedes TD, so 300 TD. So it actually, he's had it for a while, so it's been sitting here on one of these properties here. So I'm going to try and get it running and try to move it and everything, which I've already kind of started. So I just wanted to take the time to shoot this video and share with you guys my experience in it. It's the first time I've ever worked on this car. I think I've seen it before, but from my knowledge right now, I don't think I have in person. So being with that, I know like this car, just a little bit of history. It's like one of those cars that were like commercial or mainly used for taxis. And this is one of the cars that have, back for its day, it has like safety, like anti-lock brakes and airbags, and it actually has a reinforced bumper. So, I mean, a reinforced body, it's just incredible. So, there's little key things on here too that I'm gonna show you. It's like little things that I've seen on it that's actually like kind of cool, but I'll get more into it. But the one that's here, it's an inline 5-cylinder. They made this vehicle in either a 4-speed automatic or a 5-speed manual transmission. So this one is an automatic. Then so yeah, and it actually, like I said, this actually pretty good. It's decent, very good actually condition. To be honest, maybe just these like a little TLC, probably like a body wash, and maybe like just a little bit of interior work. But it's actually really spacious. And this one is the one that doesn't have the 3rd row seat, so you can actually pretty much carry a lot of things in there. It's pretty spacious. So, and it's actually a wagon, so it's actually the wagon body style. Not my specifically like my favorite style of cars, but it's all right. It's all right. But this car is actually not, I guess it's rare. It's one of those collectibles. Now it's like a collectible and everything like that. I think the car ranges from about like maybe, depending on condition and if it's running or not, it could range from like what, 15, maybe to like 15,000, to maybe 20,000. If you know how to market it, maybe, and it looks really good, maybe you can do more, maybe with a little bit more add-ons. But I know this was part of the W123 series, so it's actually really good on fuel, very good on fuel economy and everything like that. This one has the indirect injector, fuel injector. So I'm gonna actually take over to the car, and we're gonna look at it. Alright, so here it is. Like I said, it's not in the best condition, but it's decent. Just needs a little bit of TLC. But you can see the turbo diesel, and you can see 300 TD. And this car doesn't drive anymore right now. He's not driving. He's been sitting here for a while. But you can see, a little bit of the damages on it, though. Little small stuff. Like I said, it's pretty spacious. You have your trim. I actually had found out that this trim was here, so when the wheels are spinning and everything, you don't get on your door handles. So I had already opened it up here, and like I said, it's been sitting for a while. So this is what it looks like sitting for a while. So pretty much, yeah, like I said, so a 5-cylinder inline. And you can see here, that's the battery put in there. It's not the right one. I need a shorter one. Like I said, I left the battery. But other than that, yeah, everything is pretty good. Good condition and everything in here. Just needs to be cleaned out and everything like that. But we're gonna probably see if I do that another day. But other than that, it's not in bad condition. Glow plug. And like I said, the interior is not bad at all. It's really not. Everything's still kind of like intact. Yeah, everything still was kind of like intact. While I was running it, noticed that it's leaking. Hose, shoot up. Finally got it running. So there was a leak, fuel leak, air pockets, needed a jump, and to clean off the leaves all in the air intake. So that's how it sounds. Foot all the way on the ground. So it's pretty good. Okay, try to drive. So put it in here. Oh. Release brake. Let's see if it moves. No movement. No movement. Oh crap.